Hi, this is Iris Patin for Butterfly Circles with the vibrations of this period. For me, this period is a very rare period where the earth is regulating her system energetically. So the earth is getting an update, which means that she is changing things. There is a lot of change in climate, there's a lot of change everywhere, and you can feel it in the soil, you can feel it in the birds, you can feel it anywhere in the nature, which means that you will feel the same thing. You will feel the update as well. So what that means is that we get a lot of information, and sometimes the nervous system is breaking down because it's too much. You know, you have the cell phones, you have your computers, you have the 5G, you have the 4G, whatever, and it's like everything is speeding up. Everything is changing in a fast way. So people that are always been in control, it's a very dangerous period now because you are forced to change. So it's very important to, how do you say, activate the change in yourself so you are not suffering from, how do you say that, anxiety. It is so important to change little small things in your life, so to anticipate the change what is happening in and around the earth. So in the same time, it's very potent because we get a lot of information, not from the internet, not from the computer, but we got information from the sun, we got information from the water, we get information from nature, and we've forgotten that this is our biggest source of information. But we are still looking outside ourselves to look for information and to consume information everywhere. And to be very honest, it doesn't make us happy. The more we gather information from outside of us, getting in the system is breaking down. It's like it's too much information. So we need periods of silence. When you are a computer freak, when you are a lot of on social media, you need time to rebalance yourself. And the only way to rebalance yourself for me is nature. There are many systems that are copying nature. They are putting centers with light, oxygen, and whatever. But please go back to the source, go back to nature, and you will feel resourced immediately. Just go on barefoots in the grass, drink water, but before the water, just bless the water. These are little things, but our ancestors did it every day. My ancestors were praying over the food. You didn't see it, but they did it with the heart. They would really feel the gratitude of all the vegetables who were on their plates. And it was not a lot because every season had his vegetables. So this is also purification of your body. What do you need to bring into your body now? This is a period of where we have to take care of the food we take in our system, so to regain more energy. And because when seasons are changing, the digestive system is changing as well. So it is how do you say, as I said before, with a lot of changes, many people, they don't like changes, but it is necessary, because when the water is not changing, it's still water that stinks. It begins to rotten. So it's the same thing with our lives. We really have to change. That's why we see a lot of relationships are changing. If the partners are not evolving equally, they separate just to get the changing, and to get the growth. And this is what we are doing. We are growing so fast in this coming year in 2026. It's the fire horse in the Chinese astrology, which means it's a potent period where we will feel the passion and where we will decide what we want to do, and the rest we don't want anymore. This is the old self, and we are already recreating the new self in accordance with the earth, in alignment with the earth, and the alignment with the brothers and sisters of the earth, and so on. So I wish you a beautiful, potent period where your dreams that you've been, you have so many dreams and aspirations, but just look for the dreams that are serving the new earth, and you will be successful. So I hope you will have a lot of fun and a lot of help, because this is a period not only to have fun, to have joy in our lives, to have movements, but also to have a good health. So take care of your health as well, because like I said, there is a lot of movement. You need to create your stillness as well and your balance. So go into nature. Thank you so much for listening, and I hope to see you next time.